Good morning. Start your day with a smile and positive thoughts. Dear students, hope all of you learn different kinds of angles and the instrument used to measure an angle. Here in this video, you will learn how to measure an angle using inner scale and outer scale of a protractor. First, we will learn to measure the angle using inner scale of a protractor. Place the midpoint or center of the protractor on the vertex of the angle. Here, the given angle is angle ABC. So, the vertex is B. You have to place the center of the protractor on the vertex B. Now, adjust the protractor in such a way that the baseline coincides with the arm of the angle. Here, the baseline coincides with the arm BC. Always remember to check the scale where the baseline arm points to 0 degree. Now, read the measure of the angle where the other arm crosses the scale. Here the other arm is BA. Now measure the angle. The angle ABC measures 50 degree. Now we will learn how to measure an angle using outer scale of a protractor. Here also, first you have to place the midpoint or center of the protractor on the vertex of the angle. Here the given angle is angle ABC. So you have to place the center on the vertex B. Now adjust the protractor in such a way that the baseline coincides with the arm of the angle. Here, the baseline coincides with the arm BC. Now, check the scale where the baseline arm points to 0 degree. Here, in this angle, the baseline arm points to outer scale. Read the measure of the angle where the other arm crosses the scale. Measure of the angle ABC is 140 degree. It is an obtuse angle. Always remember, length of the arms do not affect the measurement of the angle. Here, the given angle ABC measures 80 degree. Let us extend the length of the arms AB and BC. There is no change in the measurement of the angle. Measurement of the angle remains same. When you are getting an angle for measurement, you have to check which kind of angle it is. Then decide whether to use inner or outer scale. Then measure it. Here an angle is given. First you check which kind of angle it is. Yes, it is obtuse angle. Now think whether to use inner scale or outer scale. Place the protractor properly. Now check the scale where the baseline arm points to 0 degree. Here the baseline arm points to the inner scale. So we have to start counting from there. The angle measures 130 degree. Let us check another angle. Which kind of angle it is? Yes, it is acute angle. Now you have to decide which scale should be used. We can use outer scale. Now place the protractor properly and measure. The angle measures 20 degree. Hope all of you understood how to use protractor for measuring angles. You can practice it by drawing few angles in your rough notebook and measure it. Thank you.